Hello there, my name is Logan and I'm on a journey to try food from every country in the world. Okay, I'll be honest. Before putting this episode together, the only thing I knew about Somalia was the stereotype about Somali people being pirates.
I'm the captain now.
But the wonderful thing about platforms like YouTube is that you can find out about the real Somalia made by independent sources. And well, there's much more than meets the eye to this country. And let's be real here, every race has its good and bad people. Doesn't matter if you're Somali, Australian, Vietnamese, Cybertronian, Terminator, Yaochua, you get the point. Actually, fuck the Xenomorphs, all of them are bad. So for today's episode, we're heading over to #SomaliEats in Kensington, Melbourne. So for me, to get a good glimpse into Somali cuisine, I'm going to try, believe it or not, this is how it shows on the menu, #the platter. Great way to get the full #SomaliEats experience. A sample platter of #SomaliEats rice with your choice of meat, tossed with a selection of vegetables and salad with assortments of sides and dessert. The specialty at #SomaliEats is their rice. They use the finest quality long-grain basmati rice infused with spices such as cardamom, cumin, cloves and cinnamon. And here we have Basbaas, which means chili in Somali. The rice is best served with marinated meats, using a secret recipe that ensures maximum flavor and is grilled to perfection. And if we look over here, we have two bowls known as bajio and a triangular snack called sambusi. And here we have a mango yogurt parfait made with mango yogurt, granola, honey and roasted crushed almond. And some grapefruit juice, cause why not? Well, I'm supposed to be eating with my right hand, which means I can't use my left hand. Therefore, I'm going to use my left hand to hold the camera while I eat. And this is the bajio, which is also known as a falafel, which is a deep-fried pillow of ground black-eyed beans with fresh herbs and spices. It's crumbly on the inside, just a little crispy on the outside. It tastes mild in general. It's pretty good. What about the sauce? It's definitely like a peppery sauce. It's very tangy and it's also quite spicy. But there's a herbal tanginess to it. It's very unique. I wonder what it is. Get some rice. And here we have the sambusi, which is a beef-filled pastry parcel with fresh Somali-style herbs and spices. similar to a samosa. It's curry-like on the inside, but it's not exactly the same. There's much more herbal kick to it than a samosa. And it's quite spicy. The filling is crumbly, and you can hear the crunch when you bite into it. How does it taste with the sauce? By itself, this is serviceable, but with sauce, it's amazing. My left arm already gets a good enough workout as it is. And it's going to get even more of a workout holding the camera for so long. You get your banana. It's like rocket leaves. I think it's rocket leaves. And that's the rocket. Skip a good amount of that rice. Yeah. Fly the rice like a rocket into my mouth. I think it's the same waffle as before. Yeah, it is. You can just tell by the taste that it is a healthy snack. And I really like it. Now I've already talked about the rice. The rice itself reminds me of it's like a turmeric rice. It's somewhat firm, but it goes down really easily. Liver bite. That's actually really good. The lamb is definitely a charred taste to it, but the lamb meat is very moist. Some more meat. I think this is more lamb. So that's more lamb. You can see how the meat is essentially just melting in my mouth. That's how well cooked it is. See? I gave it a little bit of a suck and it came straight off. Wow, look closely. Yeah, that's amazing. I think the most important thing about the meat is the way it's been cooked. The taste, don't get me wrong, the taste is definitely good. It's definitely amazing. But I think, yeah, most of the good taste comes from the way it's been cooked. Look how beautiful that chunk of meat is. That's what just slide at the bone again. There we go. It may look messy now, but I promise you when I'm done eating, this plate on platter will be spotless. Almost getting there. I love the way the meat is cooked here. It's amazing food.
Oh, beautiful.
I love it.
Thank you. Excellent.
Hello. But just the technique that's gone into cooking the meat the way it is. The way the meat is done here is extraordinary. I promise to you guys, plate is empty. See, the one that you down there. Wait. Okay. Okay, I think we're now good. That is one hypnotic mixture. The ball. It's not sweet at all. It's quite tart. As for the texture, the yogurt isn't 100% thick. A bit runny. And then as you chew through it, you taste these little speckles. I think that's of the breadcrumbs or whatever, the coconut as well. So it's most definitely a unique snack. Finished it. But overall, that dessert is quite sour. It's definitely unique. I think if you like a dessert or a snack that's so sour and creamy, then you'll love something like that. Alright, next up. It's funny in Asian cultures, especially Vietnamese, there's this belief that you can lose weight by just drinking grapefruit juice. And for a while, I was on the heavier end of the scale. And my parents made me drink a lot of grapefruit juice in the hopes that I'd lose weight. To an extent, it did work because I was just full of grapefruit juice and I couldn't eat much anyway. But who knows? Now, for those who don't know what grapefruit juice tastes like, it is. The first thing you get is bitterness. It's like the bitter cousin of lemon or orange. That's the best way to describe grapefruit. And here we have Somali Coffee. Oh, look at that. It's not as dark as you'd think it'd be. That is interesting. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, that is unique. It's there's a subtle caffeine taste, but then it's followed up with this ginger-like taste. It kind of reminds me of like a caffeinated tea. It's more of a caffeinated tea than actual coffee, like an espresso or something. What I've also noticed about the Somali coffee is that because of the ginger and the cardamom and the spices, it cleanses your palate. So you don't have that leftover taste of the meat or the rice you had before. It's pretty much gone thanks to the coffee. And that is me done. What are my thoughts on Somali food? It is actually amazing.